What's going on, guys? This is the recap from Onyx. We had Arias, Orvelis, Martinez, Red Harry Ford 25, Harry Ford, Parker Messick, Green Messick 50, Red Watson 25, Khalil Watson, Yasir Mercedes, Green Mercedes 50, Mejia 50, Mejia, Red Hernandez 25, CJ Abrams, Jordan Walker, De Los Santos, Mason Albright, Matthew Frazier, Maximo Acosta, Jose Miranda, Eric Pena, Bruns, Julio Rodriguez, Carson Williams, Michael McGreevy, Blaze Jordan, Kellum Clark, Spencer Jones, Jonathan Cannon, Peyton Pillette, Gavin Cross, Kevin Parada, Curiel, Warner Blakely, Jacob Gonzalez, Randy Johnson, Tristan Casas, Bradfield, Wicks, Duran, Waldachuk, Lorenzo, Hoglin, Luciano, Jacob Gonzalez, Soderstrom, Caden Wallace, and Jacob Berry.